On April 28, the Council of Europe published on its website a statement by Ukraine on the partial suspension of certain clauses of the European Convention on Human Rights, in particular, the abolition of the right to dispose of one's property due to martial law. It is noted that the statement was published on April 4th.
Pursuant to the provisions of the Convention and the Covenant, our state has been providing relevant information since 2015 in connection with Russia's armed aggression against Ukraine. This regular practice has continued since February 2022 in connection with the beginning of the full-scale invasion and the introduction of martial law in our country, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Ukraine in a statement on Facebook.
On April 29th, it was reported that Ukraine had allegedly suspended the protection of property rights and the right to fair elections. The Ministry of Justice clarified that Ukraine did not introduce new derogations from its obligations under the Convention of the Protection of Human Rights and Fundamental Freedoms. Rather, it revised and removed reservations regarding the restrictions of a certain set of rights.
This is not a know-how. All countries that are at war do this, except for Russia, of course, whose human rights record is always bad. In April 2024, we once again clarified the list of existing restrictions and reduced it. Denis Moluska, Minister of Justice of Ukraine, in a statement on Facebook.
The Legal Committee of the Verkhovna Rada of Ukraine clarified that the applications for derogation from obligations do not exclude the same protection for Ukrainians as before. If the rights and freedoms of citizens are violated, if they do not receive adequate protection on the territory of Ukraine from the state authorities, they can apply to the European Court of Human Rights. Reported by Anastasia Tarnavska, Diana Ovchar, UATV News.